if we just have a look briefly at this sort of introduction I've prepared. So really what we have is, technological unemployment is the displacement of workers due to technological advancements. And in historical context, automation has been reshaping industries since the Industrial Revolution. So one sort of key point that we could potentially raise in our essay is how much of our argument can be pinned back to original innovations in the Industrial Revolution, perhaps. So we can sort of, a consideration here. Um, you know, how much of this sort of historical technological replacement can be pinned back to the Industrial Revolution, which famously had its most sort of powerful origins, within the UK, right? It famously had its most powerful origins within the UK. And really, it all began with agricultural technology, right? It actually began with a change to land efficiency. It began with a change to the efficiency and usage of land as a resource. Okay, that's actually what it started with. The efficiency and usage of land as a resource is the true origin. Specifically, what I want to mention here is previously, food production was disorganized and items were grown without much planning. However, as science progressed, crop rotations and greater organization of agriculture started to happen in the UK. The key land resource moment of land resource efficiency, so sort of land resource efficiency, the key land resource efficiency moment was actually when it was actually when when it essentially enclosure farming was invented. So specifically, people started constructing walls around their fields and would only grow one crop item per field. This is what sparked the true kind of industrial revolution explosion that we kind of see today. But nothing's been replaced yet, right? The real technology replacing labor and making jobs redundant came from innovations in farming tools. Specifically, people started inventing sort of, large crop rotation machines that took over, manual planting of items. That's the real kind of key there. People started inventing large crop rotations machines that took over the manual sort of, manual processing and manual planting of items. So that is the crop rotation aspect to this, okay? That is the crop rotation aspect.